The latest 2020.11 release of DDM sees some enhancements to the category browser. So if we have a quick look at the category browser here, we can start to search for things that have been classified or categorized in a certain way. So if we were looking for push-in fittings, we can find these here. Depending on your account, you may or may not be able to edit this within the DDM Office client. And so if I right click on Documents here, you'll see that I have the option to add, remove or edit any category as a DDM Office user. An administrator will have permissions in DDM Administration under Attributes and then Categories. And so the same edits can be made in the DDM Admin module as I'm going to make in the Office client. So if we have a look here at Documents or Parts, we can see the various categories, and against any of these we can right click, add, remove or edit them. If we return to DDM Office, we're going to take a look at the Documents category. You'll see if I select on this, it's actually running a search on everything that exists below this level. So in all these subcategories, and on a large database it can take a long time for those search results to return. So if we look at editing this level of the category browser, we can see here that we have two new options: is assignable and is searchable. So first of all we'll have a look at is searchable, and if we switch that off and if we just reset our search, now when we select on Documents you'll see that a search is not automatically run, so it's forcing the search to be run at a lower level. The second option that we saw here is the ability to assign documents, in this case to this level of the category browser. In my case this has been disabled so that users can't just assign things to the Documents category, they need to drill into it and assign it to one of the sub-levels. So if we have a look at creating a new document, we'll give it a description. Now if we try and assign it to a category, and if we try and assign it to Documents, then you'll see we're not allowed to assign it to this level of the category browser. So we would have to go into our particular category and then we could assign it. The final enhancement that has been made in this release is the ability to localize the labels in our category browser. So if we have a look again at Documents, if we edit this, then you'll see we have the ability to add specific languages at this level. So if we add, for example, German, then we could localize the label of Documents. And we also have the option to localize the description as well. So if we save that, and if we change the language that we're running in, so if we go to German, you'll see that Documents has now been relabeled Unterlagen. So this video covers some of the enhancements made to the category browser in the 2020.11 release of DDM.